Welcome. In this video I will show you how to activate gesture control on DJI Osmo Pocket 4. To turn on the gesture control on your camera, you have to first turn the camera on, then swipe down, then select the palm icon and turn the gesture control on by switching this toggle to the right. Now if you want to control only registered subjects, you're gonna have to switch the following toggle on, and then the subjects that you saved, to save a subject rather, you're gonna have to go to this icon in the middle on the left side of your video recording mode and select add subject, and then to add a new person you're gonna have to tap the plus icon and then position their face right here, then tap OK, and your person will be saved as a registered subject. Now if you want to know more about gesture control, you can find two available signs for gesture control, such as open palm, which will let your camera follow the subject, and V sign to take a photo or start or stop video recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.